If you run a business, you know the deal. It's a never-ending juggle of to-do lists, research, content creation, you name it. It can be totally overwhelming. But what if you had an intelligent partner to do some of that heavy lifting for you? Today, we're going to dive into Manus, an AI copilot that's really designed to completely change how you work.
So does this look familiar? I mean, you're trying to handle market research, whip up some content, analyze data, and a million other things all at once, right? It feels like you're just treading water most of the time. This is the reality for so many entrepreneurs and small business owners out there.
So, what is Menace, really? And look, this isn't just another app on your phone. You need to think of it more like a new member of your team, an AI copilot that's ready to take on complex, really high value work. This lets you get back to focusing on the big picture, strategy and growth.
Okay, so let's start with the big ticket items, intelligence and strategy. This is where we go way beyond just, basic automation. This is where Manus really starts acting like a true strategic partner for your business.
Okay, so let's talk market research. Just imagine. No more spending days manually digging through competitor websites and sifting through customer reviews. Manus can analyze all of that for you. And it can pinpoint competitor strategies, what customers are really saying, and what trends are bubbling up in the market, all in a tiny fraction of the time.
And here's the real magic. It's all about how specific you can get. This isn't just some vague Google search. This is an executive-level command. You're asking for deep analysis, a structured report, and actionable advice. I mean, this is delegation on a completely different level.
And what do you get back isn't some giant wall of text you have to decipher. No, it's a clean, organized table, just like this one, that lays out the entire competitive landscape. You can see patterns, find gaps in pricing, and spot strategic opportunities in, seconds.
Now, this same analytical power, you can turn it on your own data. We've all got those spreadsheets full of valuable info that we just never have the time to really dig into. With Manus, you can just upload your sales data and poof, it becomes your personal data analyst, finding all the hidden stories buried in your numbers. But let's be real, the true value here is turning all that raw data into something you can actually use. Manus can whip up simple, clear visuals that show you instantly which products are flying off the shelves and which ones might need a little help. It takes all the guesswork out of the equation. All right, moving on to part 2, creation. Now, if you've ever stared at a blinking cursor on a blank page, whether that's for a blog post, a video script, or even a whole website, this one's for you. This is where Manus becomes your creative sidekick. What it does is completely streamline your content process by handling the worst parts first. All that tedious research. Manus does that heavy lifting, finding the stats, digging up examples, building a solid outline, and that frees you up to do the fun part, adding your own unique voice and expertise. And again, look at the detail in this prompt. It's so important. You're not just asking for a quick article. You're basically commissioning a full content package, complete with an outline, all the data points, and even the common questions your audience is asking. This single prompt can literally save you hours, maybe even days of tedious work. Okay, let's talk about websites for a second. For anyone who's not a developer, building even a simple landing page can be this super frustrating, time-sucking ordeal. You've got to find the right tools, figure out the design, write the copy. It's just a massive headache. Well, this is a total game changer. Manus can actually build and deploy simple websites from a single text prompt. That whole nightmare of trying to get a landing page up for your new product, that's just gone, replaced by one simple command.
All right, for our final part, let's get into operations. All that admin stuff that's super important, but honestly, just drains your time and energy. This is where Manus can step in and be your super efficient virtual assistant. So, for example, planning a business trip, you can just delegate the research and have it create the itinerary, compare your flight options, the whole thing. Or if you're hiring for a new role, you can have Manus do the initial pass on resumes, scoring them against your job description, so you only spend time interviewing the best of the best. And what you get is a complete transformation of your hiring process. That giant pile of 100 resumes suddenly becomes a super focused list of the top candidates who actually meet all your criteria. It's a huge time saver. And as a big bonus, it can even help reduce unconscious bias in that critical first screening step. Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground here, right? From high-level strategy all the way down to daily operations. But listen, all this information is great, but it's pretty useless if you don't actually do something with it. So let's talk about how you can get started.
So let's do a quick recap. Here are the 6 big game-changing ways you can use this. Think of this as your new AI delegation toolkit. Every single one of these represents a huge chunk of work that you can now take off your plate, which frees you up to do what you're supposed to be doing, leading. So here's your action item. The main takeaway from all of this. Don't just sit there and be impressed by the tech. Actually use it. Go ahead, look at your to-do list right now. I can pretty much guarantee there's something on there that fits into one of these buckets. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to pick one of those tasks and delegate it this week.
And that's the question I really want you to think about. What's the one thing you're going to hand off to your AI partner this week? Is it that competitor research you keep putting off? Is it outlining that blog post you've been avoiding? Or maybe finally analyzing last quarter's sales numbers? Just pick one, give it a shot, and start taking back your time.